Hey bro, I'm Josh. Nice to meet you, Nathan.
So 10,000 retail investors around the world, 63% of them said they don't own crypto yet.
Used to go to events, no one came.
I think crypto is just moving faster than ever. Millions and millions of new coins created every single month.
We just touched down in the Gold Coast. Had to take the hoodie off because it's actually above 10 degrees, believe it or not, in winter. Unfortunately, we don't have the Mustang. That's I did ask for that, but we can't get it. So we're in the Kia. We're here for the Digital Assets Conference. So I'm speaking tomorrow. We've got a platinum meetup with our Gold Coast clients tonight, which will be fun. Going for a run tomorrow with one of my buddies, Nathan, which we'll meet, and just going to take you behind the scenes up here. Got my buddy Josh, who's also going to be here. Works for eToro, so hide out at Sick Pad. Going to do some content and bring it along. Let's jump in the family wagon.
Oh, I think about you.
So we're just on the way to Broadbeach up here on the Gold Coast. If you haven't checked out the last month's vlog, make sure to go check that out. We did a few $100,000 of sales hosting the biggest online summit we've ever hosted. Had thousands of people that we educated online. It was absolutely epic. And then basically everything broke internally because we had so many platinum members signing up. So the last 3 weeks have been absolutely nuts. I've literally done, I think I did 27 platinum one-on-one sessions in the space of like 7 working days. It's been absolutely ridiculous. Plus trying to do everything else. But now we're like, we've gotten through a lot of those. We've onboarded everything. We just hired a new chief product officer who's going to be looking after the platinums, which is amazing. We're bringing on a few more, people in the marketing team and ops team to really scale things. But one of the best things about having more capital and more money to reinvest back in is buying back time.
I love it hard to be in a place where life is easy. Like, what the fuck is real? What the fuck is wrong? I think I can fit.
I didn't grow up with a lot, and I had to basically make my way to this point over the last 8 years. And for the first 7 years, it was fucking super hard, right? Losing money, trying to figure it out. And the last year, things have really changed. And what the biggest difference I found by having money is you can buy back time. So it doesn't necessarily give you happiness, in my opinion, but can it make your life easier? And for me, I fucking hate doing all the menial admin shit, like booking calendars, cars, flights, whatever, because I love doing content. I love helping people with their crypto. I love going to events and speaking. That's what I love. And now we've got 17 people in the business. We're scaling, we doubled revenue last year. We're looking like doubling it again. With that money, I can basically hire great people to help me. So Alice, my EA, is an absolute champion. Literally organizes everything to the minute in my calendar. For me, double down on the stuff you're good at and outsource everything else. I'm really good at this much, and if I can do a lot of this, I'll be really successful. Everything else, fuck it off. I hate it. I don't like doing it. And that's been the big key to success for me.
Only you keep me going through my house, through my soul.
Rightio, welcome to the pad. We've just checked in. Come check it out. We're going to open the door. So this is a bit of a, I don't know what you call it, entrepreneur, investor pad for a few days up on the GC. One of my best mates, Joshy Boy, right here. This man delivered a 10-bagger in the stock market space, man. I didn't know that was possible. What's the secret sauce?
Well, can't be.
Is it just you?
Can't be letting you do the only one 10-bagging, mate. We've got to do it in the stock market as well.
So I had syrup that got my first 10x the cycle the other day, and then Josh's like, mate, that's chump change. Check out this. So, but no, Josh is one of the head analysts at eToro. We've been very good mates for a little while now. Started out Bennett Berg's podcast nearly 3 years ago. Huge on crypto stocks, markets, macro, and we've flown up to Melbourne together because we had a pretty big weekend, to be honest, before coming up here. And they're on the panel tomorrow for the conference, which is sick, but should be a good few days. Talk to me about, really quickly, your 10-bagger. In stocks, that is so much harder to find than crypto. What is it that you found that you had the insight on? Is it similar to crypto into the alpha, or what are you looking at there?
Yeah, I think this particular company was very big in AI and defense. So 2 themes in the market I think are very relevant right now. And it was something that I'd spotted quite early on in sort of 2021. The company IPO'd, something I believed in, something I invested into. And I think the biggest thing with the 10-bagger, and I think you've probably spoken about this as well, is almost riding that position out, right? And sort of trying to take a bit of profit along the way, but having that conviction to be able to get to, that 10x. That's really hard, especially when you sort of see that investment going up. But I think when you have that conviction, when you believe in, a stock or a project, then, I think it's easier to hold. But again, nothing wrong with sort of trimming a little bit along the way. But yeah.
So maple syrup, that's my second 10x in my investing career. First one back in the metaverse, and this one both retraced 60, 70, 80% multiple occasions. And like you said, it's conviction. But there's a fine line between conviction and delusion, because because a lot of people hold these assets back and then it's just like it's not a good investment, right? And then, you know, it's fine line between that and conviction. But then on the upside, holding it to the point where you haven't sold it completely on the way out. So take some chips off, but mate, 10 bagger is 10 bagger. So nice work. Cheers, bro. We are heading to some rooftop in Gold Coast. So we're doing a one-on-one with one of our platinum clients. And then I think there's 10 of our platinum clients coming for a meetup. So community is an amazing thing about our platinum community. So you have to be a minimum of $250,000 to join our group. We have over 150 members now, which is unreal. So there's 10 that are coming to the Gold Coast, a little meetup tonight. Have a few drinks, do a one-on-one, shoot some content. Then we've got a little run in the morning. So 6:30 we're up and at 'em.
How you going?
Yeah. Trying to make it right. Just want to make it work.
So just wrapped up the Gold Coast meetup. There's now 12 clients on the Gold Coast, which is absolutely crazy. I think the big thing is community and curated community. That's the best thing about the Platinum group is that everyone in there is at the same level, has the same problems and same challenges. And it's like a safe space where they can all communicate all their problems. And a lot of people are just really, honestly, investing a lot of capital in the markets. Like a guy just sold 2 of his properties, just dumped in $1 million yesterday, got another 1.5 he's investing tomorrow. But these sorts of conversations you can't have just on the street or with your friends. Everyone still thinks you're batshit crazy. So that was a big day. So we got a marathon training tomorrow. So I'm catching up with Nathan Last, who you may know as the famous TikTok dancer. So buddy of mine, we're going to catch up with him tomorrow. But it's so cool to think back, like when I first started in crypto 8 years ago, used to go to events, host events, no one came. Zero. And now, you know, I can go to pretty much any city with our clients. Like we just had 12 there. We're all paying $15,000 each to work with us. And they absolutely love what we're doing, the service, the insights, the product we're developing is absolutely epic.
Hey bro, I'm Josh. Nice to meet you, Nathan.
Fucking wheels, dude.
I just got them like literally the other day.
No shit.
Are you coming?
He's having a run.
New Zealand trip?
No, different Josh.
Oh, it's a different Josh. Oh, okay.
Where the confetti?
Come on.
I'm see you live right now. Woo!
Should I go show you these vlogs we're cooking up?
Yeah, because you've put out some vlogs already, hey?
Yeah, so we just built up the YouTube, but like we find that it's massive for our customers. Like our audience is business owners that are big in crypto. So like I do a lot of crypto content, but we're trying to show more of like the business building, so we can target more people that are in business and in crypto.
Yeah.
Kind of going super niche.
That's the only thing I'm trying to find.
Josh will share it.
I just documented the craziest week of my life. From marathon training and content sprints to pulling off Australia's biggest online crypto summit ever. This vlog is chaos from start to finish. We had thousands of attendees.
Yeah, and then like, what do they go for? Maybe 15, 20 minutes? Yeah, it was like
Oh yeah, that's a good time. I hate stuff that are like almost an hour.
No, sales, right? There's like super cheap and there's super expensive. So you can kind of like find who you want.
All right, I think this week I want to do that.
I would look into it because what you can also do with these guys is you can do like just little trials and get like 3 people, give them the same brief and then see which one sends it back.
Oh yeah,
Just get them to do like a minute edit. That's what I usually do.
because I want to just do that, and then if they're really good,
Yeah.
I just like keep and try to get them off Fiverr.
So if you can create a business model behind, like if you can get a brand sponsor, bro, 160, like you're getting 150,000 views on your last YouTube long flip. That's fucking insane.
Yeah, just like, and because with shorts you can link your fucking long form, and when the short gets a lot of views, your thing's gonna get some views because like people just click on that.
Of course, we need to get that on.
Yeah, which is a cool thing.
Yeah,
you can.
There you go.
Do.
I'll learn something.
There's something there.
There we go.
And usually I post like 7 shorts a day.
Really?
Yeah,
On YouTube.
I smash them out. Yeah.
Wow.
It's like.
YouTube has everything. Like, I feel as though once you find the right person, the right creator, the right educator, like everything changes.
Yeah.
And we sort of share people that we find that we're like, oh fuck, this is the guy for this thing.
Yeah.
And we just go and binge all that content, like, oh my god, we need to do all this stuff.
Yeah, it's like it's
addicting.
a lot of info, but it's like it's
a
the
lot.
shit you need.
Yeah, no, totally. Okay, wrapped up the run, little 5K with Nathan Last, one of my good buddies. Man, he's crushing. He's like, I think he's like 6 million followers. Josh, something like crazy. He's OG content creator. And what I love, like, he's just such a down-to-earth dude. And he is like leading the space of what he's doing in content creation and entertainment and dancing. And he's just an awesome dude. And I love people that are doing stuff that no one else is really doing and leading the way and creating a new niche. And yeah, I've been trying to do more with friends around activities, whether it be like running, sauna, ice bath, like like trying to like build in more of that time, because I don't have a lot of time with those sorts of friends I want to catch up with. So if I can do things and do it together, like a run, a coffee, you know, it's 8 o'clock or 8:30 now, and then we can sort of hook into the day. So super pumped. Always gets me excited when I speak with guys like Luss. He's an awesome dude. Gonna go grab some brekkie, get in some work, and then we're heading to the conference. We've got to speak at 12 o'clock today. Then afterwards we've got some more work to do. We've got a conference party tonight, and then not sure what else there is going on at the moment. There's lots going on. So have to come along for the ride.
To keep it real, even with these accolades, I don't know how to feel. Even all alone, I can't find any time to chill. All these eyes on me, I believe that looks could kill. To keep it real, can't follow the wave, no. No longer the same, no longer the same.
How do we look? Looking sharp, mate.
Of the pain, no.
Yeah, we're on the way to the Marriott, where we're speaking on a panel today on the digital asset crypto conference, and it's a little bit different because it's industry people. So usually when you set up these talks, you've got to kind of, first of all, I always ask what the audience is. My biggest fuck up I ever made was I first started public talking. I spoke at the Australian Crypto Conference, and I prepared this amazing presentation, spent hours and hours and hours on it, about basic beginner level crypto stuff. Got in front of the crowd, asked a question, put your hands up here, who's a beginner? No one put their hand up. Now I have an hour to deliver content that no one gives a flying fuck about. I froze, nearly ran off stage. I was so scared because I had no idea what to talk about.
Girl, nothing better than me. You can focus on the Kims and the Bella Hadids. I ain't here to be the coolest. I ain't stupid. I ain't come for all the bougie clothes. I just gotta be the truest with the music. Tell a story through a movie, bro. You could be another
founder and CEO of Collective Shift, one of Australia's leading crypto research platforms.
I try to make it valuable for everyone in the room. I think everyone's builders here, exchanges, different things. I think crypto is just moving faster than ever. The reality is, you know, sectors, new coins. We're seeing millions and millions of new coins created every single month. It's not the same as 2017 and 2021 again.
Should have been in Dubai, but I said I'm in Lockwood. That's one stop Londis. Spoke to the label, they said I need content. I ain't got no contest. 8 balls in the bag, what's all this funneling? AD green goblin. Waited, pause of this weighted dips to the trenches, step with the strongest. Been through flavors, never been hacker, son, it's mad. These W40 tandem jelly mashes jammed. Having a cell, that's 2v1, that's handicap.
We just wrapped up the conference, got in, got out sort of job. Josh, you nailed it, mate, as always.
Yeah,
some good insights, mate.
Yeah, it's a good little panel, didn't we?
We did. So now we're going to wrap up, go do some more work, and then we've got State of Origin tonight, more importantly. So
yeah, focus on the big things.
Focus on the big things. Yeah. And also, Josh, we're talking about the survey with eToro, like what are you saying, 63% of people on your platform don't invest in crypto?
So more retail investors, so 10,000 retail investors around the world, 63% of them said that they don't own crypto yet. So I think what we were saying earlier is that just shows that there is still a huge opportunity for crypto to be part of broader investment portfolios around the world. Think how much money there is in terms of the wealth system and the trillions of dollars when you can only still allocate a small portion of that.
And I think that's because like people still don't know what the actual hell crypto does. So, you know, that was the other thing we were talking about today. Like there's just lack of like quality information out there. People go and follow, you know, YouTubers and influencers, and, you know, funnily enough, you're probably watching this on YouTube, but
the money speaking for itself, I call it fortune tell. 5 top from a bitch that work at corporate sales. Chinchilla Ushanka, we skiing out in Courchevel. Breaking news, they try to kill him, but the boy prevails. I leave for tour and my niggas fucking go to jail. Preaching to the dogs by wanting more for themselves. It's weighing heavy on my moral scale. Knowing they gon' sell another Citizen Kane, they think they Orson Welles. Walking Chanel, they like, how the fuck you need more Chanel? I got these cats tucking tails on 4-quarter sales. I'm used to seeing tears drop over enormous meals.
I'm more excited speaking about how crypto is Right, just wrapped up at the after party. Conference was great. It's been an awesome week. Hopefully you enjoy coming along with us on the ride. If you enjoy these videos, please leave me a comment on what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.